I found out about you guys in, I'll say 2019, just off a Google search. I was trading at the time and I was just looking for a bit of like mentorship or something. I found out about financial markets online and it always stayed in my mind. To be honest with you, I just wanted to see where financial markets would go. And the more I kind of stayed in the game, the more I heard about you. And that's what eventually caused me to join. The masterclass, amazing. Honestly, James went through everything like what we did on the fast track, but he went through it and it was like someone holding your hand going through it as well. So he explained everything in so much detail. And at the end of it, when I came back, whatever I saw online was enhanced by 10 times more. And I was ready to just really start cracking on with the strategies. And yeah, it's been going good so far since. I would say don't think about it because that's what I did. I wasted a lot of time contemplating whether I should join or not. Now there's the fast track. Just come speak to one of the guys, and I'm not paid to do this or anything. Just come speak to the guys, and honestly, it'll be one of the best decisions you made, and that's honest. Oh, it was really good. There's a range of traders here. There's so many experienced guys as well. Just rubbing shoulders with them. Obi and Paul, I listened to their webinars a lot, so it was just nice to speak to them and sort of give them their flowers as well because they've helped me a lot in times where I needed clarity, and I've come off their webinar and I know exactly what I'm doing. So yeah, overall, fantastic. Um, I, I think a lot of the industry have problems with trading rather than the company. If you know about trading and you want to trade, this is the place to do it, honestly, because the coaches are fantastic. They're always there to help. Even Mo, my coach online, is always there. If you're going to trade and you want to learn and you're serious, come to Financial Markets Online. It's unbelievable. I wasn't expecting to win it. It's a real kick in the arm. Kick in the arm. It's a real shot in the arm to just carry on and consistently do what I've been doing for the past couple of months. So I just can't wait. In terms of my trading process, before I even got to a screen, I'm doing steps and things that they've told me to. When I actually go out there and trade, everything is done. So that's like pools, looking what's strong and what's weak. And then, of course, when you're looking at the charts, helping analyzing, jumping on trends, it's been really, really good. It's really helped me clarify my trading and take it to the next level. They're real people. You can come to the floor and you can speak to them, and they'll welcome you with open arms. And yeah, like they're genuinely real people. A lot of the trading space is a bit. There's a few skeptics there, and these are real people, real traders, real professionals. Come down and meet them.
Through social media. And actually, a friend of mine actually spoke about it already. And the two coming together, I just thought, I need to join. So it's actually not my first networking event, and I love it every single time simply because you get the opportunity to meet everybody. What I mean about everybody is the team, but also all the other traders that are here and at the same level as you, or maybe more advanced, and you can exchange tips and everything. And there is a nice glass of Prosecco as well, so you're not going to say no to that. I love this question because actually I'm the best person to ask that. When I started with FMO, I knew nothing about trading. Like I had no idea. And I thought that, blonde me, I would never get it. And actually in about a year and a half, I've learned so much, which is amazing, is that all these guys take so much time for you. Through mentorships or like online classes and everything, I cannot recommend them enough. Has this personal bespoke approach. They will literally really take time with you to understand your need or the way you can work. For example, for me, being very busy and having a 9 to 5 where I cannot trade during the day, we found out with I guess it was Jarek at the time, that there were certain strategy that were working better for me. And so, yeah, they really listen to you, they take time for you, and they follow up with you.
Good old Google search, to be honest. I'd already been part of some other programs in the past that I wasn't quite happy with, so I searched out and I looked for training locally in London at first, and then I found you guys. Very good, I have to say. Again, comparing to what I'd had in the past, it's all very succinct, all very clear, and strips the strategies down to step-by-step milestones that you can learn along the way. Very helpful, very good. I would say that from my own personal experience, I think your company is very human, very approachable. You have an open door policy, you've got a trading floor, you're not just an online trading company. You know, you're actual kind of real boots on the ground, real people. I think one of the things that appealed to me the most about when I first joined you is the fact that you can just book and turn up at your training floor and have one-to-one training as well as the online stuff. To be honest, it's a human aspect. It's the human scale of it. It's not just about transactional training so much. It's more of a lifestyle, a psychology, a group of people with like minds. When you go on the more advanced training courses, for example, you're with people that kind of think like you and operate like yourself and want to learn something new, self-learners, self-motivated, and you meet them at these events. And we often can't talk the geeky trading language to our mates at work and our family and friends, and it's nice just to get together and have a chat with like minds. It was quite interesting because there was a lot of people on the masterclass that also went through to the advanced group. So obviously we've got that peer group following through. I think it was a natural progression. Absolutely game-changing, quite frankly. The weekly webinars, the access to the senior traders, the seasonality, layering in on top of what we've already learned. Really getting an opportunity to see inside the world of the professional trading environment that was really beneficial. Obviously, it scales up from there. Oh, that's put me on the spot, hasn't it? Okay.
It's important for us.
Okay. Obviously, I'm going to say keep on doing more of the same. I think we could do more of these networking events because what we find is that people like myself have been through the basic levels and onto the advanced. We kind of have a desire to help people and say to them, look, keep going, don't give up. There's light at the end of the tunnel. It's not easy at the beginning. Yeah. It takes a bit of work. But if you stick at it, you keep going, you'll get there. So I think these networking events are fantastic. Third networking event I've been to, and I love every time I come, talking with people who are like minds. You're talking about what's the dollar index doing today. You're having all those geeky conversations that you can't have with your neighbours and friends at work. But I think it's very relaxed. It's not salesy. It's not pushy. It's just peers together, working together, talking about trading. You've got newcomers coming in. You've got people from the advanced group. I'm talking to people here that have been here for a few years. That's a testament in itself, isn't it, that they're still here?